Hello to everyone and welcome to this new IMTLazarus webinar. The topic today is the optimal load of lists of the information we need to manage and to interact between IMTLazarus platform and your school. Basically, supervisors, devices, and groups. To do so, is very simple, as you all know. We go to our devices section in the admin menu and we go to upload list. In this case, you will see here a CSV example. An important remark is that these actions are to be done in case your school is not integrated or your school information management system is not integrated within IMTLazarus platform. So in a manual way, let's call it that way, you will have to upload a CSV file. In this CSV file that you can always download here, the example, basically, the information that you will have to comply is the name and the last name of the student, the device serial number, and the password assigned. Always remember that when filling in the CSV files, there is not need to have a head row on top. So just fill from the very first one with data in order to do the import properly and successfully. In respect of the field referring to password, you will have to type or to choose a password of 6 characters. And if you write none, literally none, the IMTLazarus platform will assign to you a random password which will be shown later on. Once that you have loaded the file, here you will, of course, you will choose your entity, the name of your school, and then you will update the file. Once you have the devices, this is the very first step, then you will go to Supervisors, again to upload list, and here you will do exactly the same. You will choose the role assigned for supervisors. Normally are going to be teachers in the case that we are talking today. Of course, the language that you want to be done, and the name of the entity which will be your school. The fields that are going to be necessary to be filled in these CSV files are going to be basically the same: the name, last name, and email address and password of the supervisors that are going to be the teachers supervising the devices, the students. And finally, we'll go to groups. And in groups, we'll go again to upload list. And in this case, we will do exactly the same. You will choose the file, the CSV file, you upload it. Always remember to apply the order. And in the CSV example, you will have basically the fields that have to be filled in and refer to the supervisors and to the passwords, emails address, and so on. Once that we have the 3 main files, this is devices, so students on one hand, on one vertex of our triangle of the information to be combined. The second one that are going to be the supervisors, and the 3 ones that are going to be the groups. Then only once we have uploaded these 3 files, then we can go to establish the relationships between the groups and the devices and the groups and the supervisors in order to finish the combination between these three type of data that are going to be on the vortex of our virtual triangle in order to close successfully and entirely the combination of these actions. Once that the three CSV files are uploaded and that the relations between groups, supervisors, and devices are compiled, then the IMTLazarus platform is ready to interact between your school, and then so later you can interact, sending orders, actions, and having access to reports. As always, I thank you for for your attention, of course, and invite you to follow us, and hope to see you on next IMTLazarus webinars.